Hi everyone, my name is Stefany Bermudez and with Maurys Fontalvo we are going to explain an exportation process about shampoo. We are international trade student at the Universidad Popular del Cesar and this is our ninth semester. The exportation process is from Valledupar to Spain and I'm going to start to explaining you the first part of this process is the shampoo bottling process. So our first location is in the city of Valledupar, the industrial zone. As you can see here, we have three entries, the cups, the bottles, and the shampoo barrels. And then we have three processes. The first and the second is about sterilization. The cups sterilization, the bottle sterilization, and we have a heater tank because there are some ingredients that need to be warmed up before the bottling process. We have here these machines that allow us to join the bottle and the liquid. So the bottling process in this machine. Then the product move on to this machine that allows us to join the cup and the bottle. So this is the cupping process. Then we're gonna move it to the control quality because we have to make sure that the product is okay. And after that, we have here the label and the packaging process. When the packaging process is finished, we have here this transport, and this transport is gonna move the product to the storage for around 12 hours. And after that, this transport is gonna take out. As you can see here, we have the union, and we decide to decide to do it with a different color. We have red, blue, and when the process is finished, is green. And now when the process is finished here in the process of cupping, is orange. That's the way we decide to do the difference between the process. Now let's move on to the statistic. If I decide to talk about the statistic, I'm going to show you first which are those characteristics, those aspects that we are evaluating. So the process, generating, collecting, travel loaded, idleness and waiting for operator, waiting transport, and others. So finish the process we have here all the statistics, and as you can see, our process have the benefits or the processing is more than the 50%, and we have in some of the machines, some of the process we have less than the 20% of idleness, and that will be our statistic. Now we have to move on to the part of the international transportation, and that's the part of my partner Maurys.
Hi, I'm Maurys Fontalvo and I'm going to explain the rule logistics of this simulation. So, the rule logistics carried out by our company for this order are: first, we are in Valledupar, where the all manufacturing processes is done to deliver the final products. Then, when the products are all ready, go to the Cartagena port to be sent to the destination port, which is Valencia port. Here, the merchandise will be received by the company that made the order, and then to be sent directly to their facilities in the Seville city. Okay, the means of transport that would be used in this simulation of this order are: from Valledupar to Cartagena port by route, the time it is around 5 hours and 30 minutes. From Cartagena port to Valencia port, there is a duration by ship of 11 to 26 days. And finally, from Valencia port to Seville city, by road it is a 6 hours and 30 minutes. So, finally, in the following graphs, we can see that the end of the routes, the scheduled amount the merchandise was delivered to the destination, which means that the logistics process was successful. Okay, to finish this presentation, in the following graph we can see that the end of all routes, the scheduled amount of merchandise was delivered to the destination, which means that the logistic process was successful. That's all. Thanks for watching.